So we are trying to find how fast the camera angle is going. So we're trying to find d theta dt. So we know that the velocity of the car is going at 172 miles per hour or 252 feet per second. Okay, my angle of the camera is right here, so that's theta, and we're trying to find d theta dt. Okay, so I'm going to call this C. Okay, my moment in time is when theta is 0.108 radians. Okay, so I need to be able to relate theta, C, in this 100 that doesn't change no matter what moment in time it is. And that's going to be opposite over adjacent. So I'm going to use tangent. So tangent of theta is going to be C over 100. So I'm going to go ahead and take the derivative with respect to time because I want to find how fast. That's your speed. So the derivative of tangent of theta is secant squared theta. And I'm going to multiply it by d theta dt. Okay, 1 over 100 is the coefficient. So I'm going to multiply that by dc dt. And I'm trying to find d theta dt, so I'm going to divide by secant squared. And secant squared is another way of writing cosine. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and substitute my numbers, my moment in time. Use my calculator, 3 decimal places, and I get 2.491 radians per seconds.